Molweni ndiyamkela nonke kweziChisa Bay Entertainment guys winter, and I honestly hope that for most of us relationship kampumelelo Tirelo novuyokazi is going to be a lesson, especially to us women, ukuthi ungamzalela umuntu if you as a woman awukho ready and ungazali izingane engeke uze uzikhone. This is an advice that we always get from older women, whether you are married or not. Ungaboze uzale izingane that you are not going to be able to take care of financially uwedwa, noma that you will not be able to emotionally support uwedwa, because unfortunately guys, amadoda sesiwabonile ukuthi shame kancane ukuthi ngempela umuntu wesilisa abe nendaba ngezingane. Umuntu wesilisa uzokushiya una 8 kids ahamba ayozishatela itshitshi uzokwenza njani, 8 children eskanozi, you understand? So I hope this will be a lesson for us. Kuyabanda ngoku umuntu nomuntu makahamba ayozithengela electric blanket if kuyabonakala guys. Umuntu nomuntu makathenge iheater, because awushiyeka wedwa esuphini mntakadade. Nanku ke uTirelo ukhala eskanandi laphayana ke ku Instagram. Uqale ke waposta le post waphinde wayidelete, but unfortunately abantu besebenze njani bese beyi-screenshotile ilapha ke ku TikTok. Uthe nje isigaxa nje sendaba uthi, I remember being sent to Joburg to go and study. My parents bought me an apartment so that they do not waste money on paying rent. You understand ukuthi nje abazali bakhe bayamthanda kangakanani lo muntu. Uthi ke khareye kho jewa ko Gauteng. Umogel ale focus closer to finishing her studies. La fihla lizulu ke ngibani ke ngumpumelelo. Baby girl thought it was just for vibes. But unfortunately, baby girl caught feelings. How? A year into the fun and games, there is a bun in the oven that never sinked in until that bun was ready and life took a turn papas. Kubani ke ngoku ilantikana iclown ndim ufakile eziya face ke ze clowner. Abafana, I shame. And then she says, how do I forget that my uncle used to remind me of my second bees? Actually, as in cima. So she's regretting ukuthi ngempela ama opportunities were presented to her, abazali bakhe baze bamnikeza ngisho ke laphena ke apartment, but yena wathi fall in love nomzulu. I'm sure umzulu ke just as esho lapha ezinganeni zesithembu ukuthi wayehlezi ethi no baby kuneplani iplani ingane izoba na 2 manje. Uzathi ngine plani till vandag usathi I have a plan baby, and lelo plani leyo is to what? Is to degrade uTirelo, because uTirelo uhlala kephi manje in one of the cities with so many opportunities. Uzosuka lapho uhambe siyohlala eMzumbe just because uhlulwa yini ukhokhela uneni, because that's all uTirelo was asking from him, ukuthi khokhela uneni, because so that mina ngizokwazi ukuhamba ngiqhubeke ngiyoqhubeka nesikolo ngiqedele isikolo. Hayi ke uthi umpumelelo mazishe study online, sihambe siyohlala eMzumbe. Kanjani phela? Because even if you are studying online, you need to focus. Uzobe khona ingane still. So yena uzicabangela yena, ufuna ukuthi imali ayisave yena, but lapha uma yena membuza ukuthi ama plans akho athini, uthi no I have imali but imali ngiyayifihla. So it just shows how selfish he is and how self-centered he is, ukuthi he only cares and loves himself. Uzicabangela yena ngokwakhe ukuthi okay I have imali but imali ngiyigodlile. What about the future kaTirelo? He's not thinking about that, you understand? So I really hope this is a lesson for most of us. Ngiyengabona ke nokuthi ingathi baby girl is contemplating ukuthi move on, ajole athole indoda entsha. Uthi ke laphayana ke ku Instagram, I'm keeping my man, or I'm keeping my new man private because I overhyped the last one. The last one being ke usithuphethu Mpumelelo Musa Mseleko. You understand? So yeah guys, umanzi pants. I think utirelo thoughts if uvuyokazi uyahamba, then she's going to be the princess of a relationship, and that is why abantu abaningi bemhleka ukuthi baby girl, now you understand ukuthi uvuyokazi ebedila nani, i-narcissist yokuqala neyokugcina umpumelelo umseleko, you understand. So how do you feel guys about this? Ngiyacela engage on it down on the comments, ning like and I will surely see you on the next one. Bye.